think development and customer success are the categories that folks are used to outsourcing a portion of the work that is beyond like their traditional day-to-day development work. So that fits neatly within their workflow. Let's say they have a massive refactor or modernization project. That's going to 4 or 5x their sort of development needs for that, let's say, modernization path to cloud if they want to continue to develop features. And so that's when they would bring somebody on the outside, whether it's an SI or an SI plus a specific eng firm, to execute that block of work. So we fit nicely into their experience where you don't have to sort of do that $10 million transformation project. We can now enable your own developers to do that and get that sort of large batch of work done in a complete time. The same thing is true for customer success. People and everyone's seen the Klarna example maybe, but they were outsourcing their customer success and support people to a third-party firm. And they essentially were able to we had 3,000 customer success agents and bring it into a few hundred by dealing with the tickets themselves that they could handle internally, and did huge cost savings. So if there's an opportunity to fit into the flow of work within your category, that's wonderful. If not, there is obviously an amount of market education that is required. But if it's a bottleneck for that org and your solution unblocks the bottleneck, like that is what moves organizations forward from a revenue perspective. So that education and the sale and the value is there. It's just more of a matter of tactics at that point.
Yeah, I want to double click on that bit because all of the tech forward orgs out there that really want to use Blitzy have already used Cursor, Copilots, Replit agents, and all of that, and have failed. And the failure point is that all of these, even if they claim to be multi-agent, they're really constrained by how much code and or text they can process at a single point of time, or what actions they can do in one go, right? So for example, you're using Cursor, and if you have this large code space that has maybe 500 files, you simply cannot fit enough contextual information into that agent's context window to be able to process everything and give you the output. So what you see happening is that it makes mistakes. It is frustrating to read something and then realize, no, this is done differently in the source file, and then go back and work out something, because of the shift in context window, it misses something else, right? And that's why you have to keep iterating. But when organizations who've gone through that process hear about Blitzy, and the idea is that I don't have to be hands-on, my developers don't have to be hands-on, I just have to be good at documenting what I want the system to do, then that's a win-win, right? Because you have to document stuff correctly anyway, because you have humans working on the system. So I think having a solution that really understands the pain point of who you're solving for is a huge advantage.